Siphilile nathi. Sibonke ukuthi ke ufike uzoba nathi osukile namhlanje.
Yebo siyabonga ukuthi ningamukele phakathi kwendawo. Mina nguMantsiza kaNkosi uDlamini wekunene.
Wena wekunene. Ungwani?
Njalo.
Ngikunikeza ithuba lokuthi ubingelele umndeni weJozi FM.
Right. Igama lami uMoyane oqhamuka eSoweto.
Okay.
Yes, ukhule eSoweto uthwase ana 14 years old and uthwasise ugogo gwayesa kaSiziba eSoweto. Yena seka washona. Right. Indaba yokukhula emoyeni, indaba yokusebenza icale ngomama. Omama kudabula amazi kaMvubu. So ingulo ngithatha from kuye esayidini lakhabo mama. So now ukukhula kwakhona kuhamba ukuthi ke manje it had to ukuthi spread. Spread kwakhona, it had to disturb me at school, it had to disturb me in all kinds of relations, in a sense whereby ukuthi ize ihamba yakhe ne depression akho konke lokho.
Asibambeke siqale la before the age of 14. Yini oyikhumbulayo about you as a child before the age of 14 ngoba uthi uthwase usuna 14 years.
That's right.
Uzikhumbula umntwana onjani before that time la kufanele uzoyothwasa khona?
I was always isolated ngesimo sokuthi ke manje bengathanda ukuhlala nabantu. I would sit in class and just zone out. I could sit in class, just be umuntu ozenzile izinto zakhe ngendlela yakhe. Ngisithole ngishaya isigubhu etafuleni, ngisithola sengicula while uteacher lokafundisa njalo njalo. Nini ngiyasiphumela nje ngazi ukuthi ngiyakuphi ngetoilet, ngifike nje ngihlale phansi ngafuni nokuhlangana nabantu. So now that lento le iyenziwe ukuthi abantu abadala befuna ukuthi ngisisolate ebantwini kade bangafuni that kind of environment, in a sense whereby ukuthi bebafuna ukukhuluma nami. Right, I used to love ukuthi ngihlale nabangani kodwa nje nalapho bebe bangikhipha ngesimo sokuthi bebafuna ukuthi ngizinze ngijule esimweni somoya, ngizinze esimweni sokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiconnect nabo, ukwazi ukuthi communication yethu ihlangane ibumbe ngendlela efanelekile. So now my life, it was not fun. My life, it was not exciting in that manner. Ngokuthi ke manje abantu abadala bona self bebeza ngeaggression ukuthi bafuna umsebenzi wabo. So now it had to ukuthi manje yenzakale in that period. Ngoba manje abantu abadala manje mabafuna into yabo baza ngisho ngolaka phezulu kwakho. So now my life, I couldn't even enjoy it ngokuthi ngiyema partyini, doing all that, because of now I was always concentrated. Each and every single thing engiyenza is always calculated, in a sense whereby ukuthi kwamele ngiphile ngendlela exakile, bengiphila ngathi ngumuntu omdala.
At that time, did you understand what was happening? Noma wena nje uzibona ngathi normal indlela odaleke ngayo, ubu understand ukuthi kukhona ubizo oluphezulu impilo yakho ngaleso sikhathi?
Yeah, I couldn't understand because of nayo mama bekanamathwasa ngithi alukathi hayi shaya isigubhu enzafundisa bothokoza ukugida nakho konke lokho. So I couldn't understand ukuthi kahle lento le yapavwa iyakhwa ngesimo sokuthi manje abantu abadala yibo abayikhethile ukuthi kube njalo. Right, while I used to teach amathwasa ukugida, while I used to teach amathwasa ukushaya ingungu igubhu, now this energy was developing, this energy beluka ikhula njalo ngendlela ukuthi ke manje bafuna ukuthi ngiconnect nabo mbamba. Now my mother manje was ignorance and not willing ukuthi ngithathe lona msebenzi ngoba bengisasemncane. So now we used to encounter challenges within my life. We used to encounter challenges within empilweni yakhe qobo lwakhe ngoba manje abantu abadala bebashala athanda khona kakhulu, which is manje ngiwani kumama. So now if they had to ukuthi bathathe mina yena bekazosala eyi-1. So now they had to ukuthi bafake leyo ntshayelo leyo bayiphave bayilungise ukuthi naye akwazi ukuthi understand ukuthi isikhathi, and ngoba amadlozi basebenza ngisho ngesikhathi and they have deadlines. So they had to ukuthi bafake that pressure ukuthi naye akwazi ukuthi abone ukuthi umntwana kwamele uthathe umsebenzi wabantu abadala ngoba manje kunesikhathi kunomsebenzi loku okungilindele.
So what made umama to be in denial, if I may put it like that, given the fact that yena umuntu wedlozi, umntwana wedlozi unamathwasa, yini le ebimenza ukuthi athi hayi umntanami akwazi ukuthi umntanami naye usezohamba lendlela?
Yeah, it's all about bacabanga ukuthi it's about abuse sasemncane yena futhi bekacanga ukuthi angeke ngicope because of now I was very young ngale ngesimo sokuthi nesikolo ngapha I would attend school, which means bengizo drop out, angeke ngiconcentrate intweni zami zesikolo njalo njalo. So now that was the fear le behamba nayo, and yena bekacanga ukuthi futhi angazi ukuthi bengizophila enye impilo le engafanelanga ngoba yena mhlawumbe bekampelele ama plans amanye le kade yena awabekile, kodwa abantu abadala bavumanga ngesizathu sokuthi bona bakhetha indlela ukuthi ngithatha umsebenzi wabantu abadala ngale ndlela le bona bathanda ngakhona. So now half years they were overthrown in a sense whereby ukuthi abafuna ukumuzwa, bafuna ukuthi ngempela basebenzise mina as umelusi ukuthi hayi ithi siyenze ngendlela ekanje ngoba sifuna umntwana ukuthi asebenze azokwazi ukuthi nawe akulekelele.
Yini ke le eyenza ukuthi uma aze give in, for a lack of a better word, give in to the demands of the ancestors?
I was in accident and azange ngilimale kangakho, and then she went to ayokhipha ithwaso eZimbabwe. Then when she came back, I was depressed in a deepest way that nobody can understand. So
what was depressing you as a child that time?
I wanted to commit suicide. I wanted to eat a halipirima because of now I felt lifeless. I felt out of this world ukuthi abinga understand ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba ngithi ngiyazaxa bekhona into bengidla ngaphakathi kimi ngazi ukuthi yini, kanti bengidliwa ingulo yabantu abadala, bengidliwa ayiba abantu abadala ngoba manje they wanted something to feed on, so now they were feeding on me. So now lento leke manje beyapusha this whole situation, this whole system ukuthi umama aze ahamba uthi hamba ke manje yothatha umsebenzi wabantu abadala, and ifinance bekade ngamanga kahle ngaleso sikhathi leso. So now kade stress ukuthi uzobhadala kanjani all these fees and yonke lento bayifunayo. So now it happened in that manner yokuthi no ngcono ke sikudedele sizobona phambili ngoba abantu abadala baza ngisho ngepressure isida uzoluza umntana wakho u1 or kuzenzala something else.
At that time, are you being shown where you should go, or umama uyena wazi ukuthi kufanele kuyisephi? What was happening?
I used to go to her Gobela ukwayis. I used to go to her gogo loka nje ngibavakashele ngashela igroup nabo njalo njalo, but mina azange understand ukuthi bangitshengisa ukuthi ngiye lapho umama mathwase khona, yabona?
Ukushaya isigubhu sakho at that time, how did it make you feel? Remember, you said you were a child who was depressed most of the time. But more fika kagobela ushaya isigubhu, was the feeling still the same? Did you still feel depressed, or you felt some type of way which is different from the way you usually feel? Thokoza.
I felt safe. I felt warmth. I felt much love possible. Ngisimo sokuthi like I felt ukuthi khona into ekhona ngaphakathi kimi. You know, isimo sokuthi umuntu aphume la hlala khona aya kwenye indlu because of now understand angathuli that warmth. So mangiya lapho ke manje bengiyela ukuthi ngifile completed. Abengiyela ukuthi ngifile like inhliziyo yami igqwali ngiphile ngibe right? So now that happened like nje I loved that feeling to the core. Ngisimo sokuthi ke manje which means nabantu abadala kade bajabulile ukuthi yes ukuthi bajabule ukuthi naye uyayenza lento sifunayo, kodwa bengayenzi fully because of bengakangeni ephezulu. So na ukuya kwami lapho ngilongishaya igubhu nakho konke lokho in a nutshell I could say bebangitshengisa ukuthi la kwamele ngiye khona.
And at that time lokushaya kwakhe isigubhu, did someone teach you, or you could just feel the rhythm and you started playing?
No, my mom taught me.
Okay.
So 2 days, 3 days I managed to master that art.
Yeah.
So ngasifunda ngaloka ngishaya njalo njalo nokugida konke lokho. Then after that again ngafundisa nabanye until ngize nami ngiyothwasa ngibe isangoma.
Sesi fika ke on the day where you finally niyavumelana noma ukuthi, did you have a conversation? Maybe let's start there. Did you have a conversation noma yoguti, okay, mjeta back, I know you are still young, kade silokhu siyibaleka lento kodwa manje ngibona ngathi sekuyisona isikhathi sokuthi ngikudedele uhambe uyongena ephehlweni. Did you have that conversation with Uma?
Yeah, azange sibe nayo ncam because of mina angisumuntu othanda ukukhuluma kakhulu. I like my space. So now sinokukhuluma ayithinti ayiyeke. Kodwa on the last days we sat down like yena ube wangibuza ukuthi vele into ofuna ukuyenza. Ngathi ngcono siyenze sibe ukuthi iyophelela kuphi ngoba manje kufa mina ngaphakathi. Lento idla mina like bekade ishintsha yona ngathi kuba isilwane. Because of now I could be rebellious, I could be out of place because of this energy and emotions. So yonke lento le yena beka understand ukuthi ngihlushwa ingqondo. So now for ukuthi anga understand kahle yena bekacanga ukuthi manje I'm being influenced by abantu laba bengithwasa nabo, meaning that ukuthi laba ngibathole ephehlweni ukuthi angithi benginokuwe ngibashayela isigubhu njalo. So now makababona mhlawumbe bekazocanga ukuthi hayi laba bayam influence ukuthi athathe ubungoma njalo kanti it was not the case. Lento le bengaphakathi ingidla ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuze ikwazi ukuthi iphile nayo.
That time you are in grade
8 going to grade 9.
Yeah. And then on the day la seniyahamba ke eniyephehlweni, take us through that day, the very first day wayikhipha ekhaya ekuhambisa kugobela wakhe.
Right, ube wangithatha makaceda ubuya emgidini saya ke lapha kagogo same street, sangena baphahla bayenza konke lokho, and then kahle mina ngibingabaleka before azokhipha uThokoza azomisa emgidini. Ngaphuma ekuseni entathakuza ngaya lapha yana nene wangilanda wangilanda nje ngendlovu yangena athi hayi yahlanya ayikho into uyenzayo la. Then after that yaphinda yabuyela futhi ukuthi no yena ngithathe on the Sunday safika baphahla bayenza sayemfuleni sayizinto zakhona bangigajela igama lapho. And on that week bekuyi week ukuthi umuntu badle intwaso graduation day. So now I had ukuthi nami ngibe forced ukuthi ngidle nabo intwaso ngingene ngithwase nabo and all that process. Mina ngihlale ephehlweni 3 months. So now in that period I had to learn all the things that kade ngingazazi, bokukhuphula amadlozi, bokwenza yonke lento ezenziwayo, amathabo bokubhula nakho konke lokho. So now we had to ukuthi si train to that period ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi nami ngikwazi ukuthi ngidlule, ngikwazi ukuthi ngithwase ngidle intwaso ngifane nabo, right? So yonke lento it had to happen within a week.
Are you coping at that time?
I'm coping, but now the problem lies in that ukuthi ngibe ngafaila grade 9. Yes.
Because now usephehlweni usesikoleni at the
yes,
same time.
Yes, bengivuka ngihamba ngesikoleni phinde ngibuye attend the duties zamadlozi and attend izinto zesikolo. So now it was just so complicated ngaleyo ndlela leyo, but I managed to do i-matric yami ngaqeda ngaba right kodwa bese ngiphumile ephehlweni.
So the time usasephehlweni while attending school, the first week of school while usuyithwasa, how was it?
I was at peace.
Okay.
Now
Ayisafani manje.
Ayisafani.
Awusanayo leya loneliness, awusanayo leya nto yokushaya amadesk yokuthi ngathi ungaphuma.
Yes.
Yokuthi ngathi ungaphuma uhambe eclassini.
Yeah, I was at peace to the point whereby which I could mingle with people, I could talk with people, I could understand the environment, I could understand izinto ezenziwayo within the environment nabantu, I could interact with people because of now bengakwazi inhlobo even to just sit with people in one place. So now bengakhula gradually, so I gained my body back and ngaba right.
Then manje ephehlweni ufica abantu lapha. Uhlala khona noma usahlala ekhaya uyaya ngalezo zikhathi or ususephehlweni nje full time uhlala khona.
Ngisephehlweni full time, sleep out abayenzi. So yahlalwa lapha wenze yonke into, udla lapho ulala lapho, yonke into niyenza khona lapho. There's no compromise. So mawuvuka ekuseni attend your those duties, after that you go to school, come back, attend, wenze if unama homework nakho konke lokho bakunika isikhathi sakho ukuthi usenze. Mawusoqedile attend your those work so that ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ube balanced.
Balances.
Into zakho iziqonde zibonakale and then hayi uyaphila phambili.
So maseniqala benenzisa umsebenzi wedlozi, uya understand ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaleso sikhathi noma wenza lento okuthiwa yenze ugobela or idlozi lakho seliyaqala liyaziveza liyazikhulumela kuwe ngaleso sikhathi.
It's all in understanding futhi angithi so ukuthi you must understand lento oyenzayo phela angeke uvele uyenze into ongayazi so now they're gonna explain to you ukuthi this segment oyenza manje ifuna ukuthi ube so sifuna igama lakho so right bakugajela bakwenza into zakhona liphuma igama ukuthi wena ubani. Now you must always understand that ukuthi awusebenzi wiwona usebenza nabantu abadala. There's this energy ehamba nawe efuna ukuthi uyilekelele. So now in that sense kwamele manje nincedane with this particular energy that ungayazi. So mabase bakuhlanganisa there's a fusion eyenzakala within the space. Now this fusion eyenzakala ngokuthi ke manje bakuhlanganisa wena muntu ophila phansi komthunzelanga naledlozi leli olingalazi. So now you inherit igama lakho then ukuthi lizohlezi uzohlezi usebenzisa all your life, right? So now when you got igama lakho yila ke manje ukwazi ukuthi understand amadlozi ukuthi asebenza kanjani bafunani and all that.
So how was low 3 months wakho usephehlweni?
I felt completed actually. Yeah, I felt completed.
What is it that made you feel complete?
Because of now there was a void within my space. There was a void ngokuthi khona lento beyishota ngaphakathi kimi. There was a void ngesimo sokuthi abantu abadala bebafuna ukudla kwabo. There was a void ngokuthi abantu abadala they felt left out. So now bona baseba ngenile inside my body and spirit. Now besikwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane si understand. Because of now angeke wenze into ongayithandi.
Yeah.
So now you had to love the craft first so that you can understand it. If uzoyenza ngokudlulisa, most definitely sure now it's going to overthrow you. You will not understand it. You will not become it. Uzoyenza ngoba kufele kwamele udlulise ube njanja. So now I was fully completed because of I understand who I like ngiba ubani ngifuna ini naledlozi ngihamba nalo lifuna ukuthi liyenzeni nifuna into ezinjani. So now it's all about personality as well. So I personality yaledlozi masehlangane yami kuba into eyi-one. Now that's where I feel so complicated, not complicated, complete.
Yeah.
And then into yami yahlangana, I move.
So at that time we understand leli khehla manje seniya understandana naleli khehla manje. Do you remember the first time ikhehla manifested with a message?
It was a dream actually.
Okay.
Yeah, liza ngokuthi lifaka amabheshu lifake izinto nje zezulu understand ukuthi kahle kahle ngivelaphi namazulu kanti hibo abazayo ngale this particular attire beze bazozibika ukuthi bona abobani babuyaphi bafuna. You understand? So now hila qale khona uku-understand ngoba nanoma uphahla there's an energy lekuyizwayo ukuthi khona umuntu okhona la khona into yenzakala la. So now masohlana with this particular energy you can khona abanenhlanda that they hear voices and all that, but give me I felt energy, I saw sight, and then I saw like visions. That's what worked for me.
Okay. Do you understand those visions at that time? Do you understand those messages ngaleso sikhathi?
Not entirely, because of now the role of a Gobela has to teach you and lead you to that. That's why about ihlale ephehlweni. So now in that sense mina mangithola a certain vision, mangithola everything, I will use to calculate and understand into enzakalayo. I'll calculate each and every single detail. Then if I understand ngizokuthi ekoko kanjani la kwenzakalani so and I should explain ukuthi no la umkhulu wakho uza kanje, la umkhulu wakho athi bamba kanje, la umkhulu wakho athi hayi phahla kanje, because of now the communication icala lapho. The first thing that you need to learn is that you need to learn communication. You need to know how to create dialogue with your ancestors. You need to know how to have a proper conversation. Ngoba manje inkulumo yabo nenkulumo yethu ayifani, into ehlukile. So now when you have a dialogue with them, they can turn a story kube yinye into ngoba manje azange udeliver indaba yakho ngendlela efanele. That's why people have they're so chaotic in that manner.
And then at that time your peers at school, are they treating you differently now that ususe phehlweni, or nje it's just business as usual abantwana banasikhathi
hayi bebathanda ukuthi ngihlale ngibabhola nje mangibona bathi bhola ndoda ngithi hawu njani na badashela indaba zethu what do you see when you see me I see you now.
how did that make you feel?
At some point I felt like they're using me. At some point I felt like they
So now ubhula ngempela
ngempela ngiyabatshela hey yabi ngizobatshela ngempela. So now I felt used. I felt now ukuthi is it a lesson or what?
Didn't you take that as practice?
I took that as practice ngoba manje nami ngisesikhathi ngithi noma ngihleli sebreaking ngithi hayi ndoda sondela la ngimtshele naye avuma anginiki 10 rand ngibe right.
So wena ubungasayisweli imali yomkhere
hayi next
wena nje usuvusa inhlolo esikoleni
noma kanjani nabo teacher bangazi beza kimi ngije ukuthi hayi Khehla come see me now sixoxe ngimtshele bese ke hayi uba right.
Didn't that feel awkward though ukuthi manje ke usubonela abantu abadala manje othisha
into bengifuna leyo
iyana into obuyifuna vele
into bengifuna ukuthi kwamele ikhanda lisebenze. I wanted to see the deepest parts of this universe.
And then the 3 months wayenza yonke into wayiqeda
ngayiqeda but angeke uqede yonke into in that time. It's a foundation phase. A foundation phase ukuthwasa kwamele uqale lapho ukuthi uzazi you must be born so that you can exist, right? So now in all of that mawusozelwe ila uqala ukhasa khona uqala ugijima khona nakho konke you need to understand the fundamentals whereby ukuthi you communicate, whereby you know how to read people, whereby you know how to understand how the universe speaks, you know how to understand ukuthi ukhuma kanjani ihlahla zakini. So now it's all about ukuthi i-foundation yakho uyakhe kanjani bayakhe kanjani nawe so that ukwazi ukuthi uphile ube isangoma esiphelele. That phase is all about being a fully fledged sangoma. Then you learn to be whatever that amadlozi akho bafuna ukuthi ube yiyo. That's it.
So the final day usephehlweni sekufanele uphume ke manje uye ekhaya kuyoba nomgidi Thokoza seni ready uma use ready emotionally ukuthi umntanami ngiyamamukela uyabuya ekhaya wena usu ready at that time ukuthi emotionally manje sengiyaphuma la sengibuyele ekhaya?
Most definitely sure because of now back preparing it now mentally ukuthi now you have done with this phase uqedile ukuthwasa uqedile this particular segment ukuthwasa, right? Bakutshela ukuthi fine now isikhathi sakho sokuthi uyophuma and go see the world. If I am in matric
what was your expectation? Sorry ukungena emlonyeni. What was your expectation uma kuthiwa usuyaphuma ke now go out and see the world?
Like everybody else you expect ukuthi uzoba nama clients, you expect ukuthi uzosebenza, you expect ukuthi you're going to be at that level. Kanti that's not the case. You have to learn ukuthi manje ungena to another stage of life ukuthi kwamele uhambe utotoso ufunde okunye ngoba manje ubunyanga nobusangoma buqala after phela.
Umgidi wakho ke manje take us through umgidi wakho. How was it?
Yeah, no, it was quite exciting actually. It was quite exciting. Simo sokuthi I couldn't wait to go home vele. Yeah, yangena ekhaya yaphahlwa gogo wami yangiphahlela mama wami yangiphahlela nyangena ngihlele Ndumbili. So now sekuyagida ubusuku bonke bangifihlela imali bangifihlela izinto nje, understand? Yagidwa nje ngaba ngathola ithwasa lami lokuqala lapho.
Okay.
Azange ngazi ukuthi ungazelaphi kanjani wangena ukungena kwakhe within a week wabaleka ngathola miscarriage edlozi. Yes. So now which means isibeletho samadlozi kathi singakathungeke kahle. Right, so now learning curve boku right ekseni kwakhona ke kuyavukwa hayi bayadla abantu ku right thina empane nithi asiphuzi jwa into esiyenza nje ukuthi siyahlala siyagida siphuza amakotrini nakho konke lokubagide babe right sikhathami sokugida njalo ngiyagida ke cousin akithi yangena nayo igida nami bangifihlela koba mnandi
uyazithola izifihlo nje
akabuhlungu phezulu kwendlu nakho yes ngagibela impela ana kanjani mama mangifihlela ifoni ngayithola like nje yonke into nje beyiqondile
babefihlele yona wakwazi ukuthi uyithola. How do you feel how are you feeling at that time when you realize ukuthi actually kwayizifihlo lezi I managed ukuthi ngizithola? How did that make you feel?
It's so it's like it's that feeling angeke ukwazi uku-explain ngoba manje it's so exciting. At some point you think ukuthi khona uyaguess kanti the spirit ekuxoxelayo ukuthi le ikanje. You can see a picture, you can see the way ibukeka ngakhona, you can see the way yenziwe ngakhona. So when we must just vocalize it, we phimisa ukhulume nje. That's it.
Akujwayelekile ukuthi uthi kunempande ungaphuzwa kuyutshwala.
Injalo.
Ngokujwayelekile abantu baye befuna amabhodlela adulayo kuthiwa kwenziwa
Ama-case.